Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to make dal fry. Dal fry is one of the most comfortable and flavorful Indian dishes. Creamy lentils tempered with aromatic spices and herbs. Firstly, take a tur dal in a colander and wash thoroughly under running water until it runs clear. Add the rinsed dal to a pressure cooker with fresh water and cover the lid, place the weight on and cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 whistles. Allow the pressure to release naturally, then open the lid and stir the dal. Now while the dal cooks, heat oil or ghee in a pan or medium heat and add cumin seeds and let them sizzle until aromatic. Add chopped onions with a pinch of salt to help them soften faster and saute until the onions turn light brown and soft. Add crushed ginger, garlic and green chili and saute for about a minute until the raw smells disappear. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy, and add salt, turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Mix well and cook until the oil begins to separate from the masala. Now add cooked dal to the masala and stir well and adjust consistency by adding more water if needed. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and add garam masala and kasuri methi. Then squeeze in lemon or lime juice for brightness. Garnish with fresh chopped cilantro, and you can serve your delicious dal fry hot with jeera rice, steamed basmati rice, or roti, naan, or paratha. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.